You're watching KSG State Series. In this video, we are going to talk about the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Facts collected are based on the questions asked on Arunachal Pradesh in competitive examinations. We start with a brief introduction to the state. The capital city of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Arunachal Pradesh is also referred to as the land of the rising sun. It is erstwhile NEFA or Northeastern Frontier Agency. It is separated from China by McMahon Line, which is disputed. China claims Tawang and other major portion of Arunachal Pradesh as part of Tibet. It stretches from snow-capped mountains in the north to the plains of Brahmaputra Valley in the south. Arunachal is the largest state area-wise in the northeastern region. The state boundaries of Arunachal Pradesh touches with Assam and Nagaland, and the international boundaries is touching with Myanmar, Bhutan and China. The state bird of Arunachal Pradesh is the great hornbill. Because hornbills consume a large number of insects and small animals that are seen as pests, its future is important for a healthy ecosystem. Population numbers for this species are declining in many areas of its range because of deforestation from logging. Due to their large size, these birds are also hunted for food and for their tusks, which are considered trophies. Gayal or Mithun is the state animal of Arunachal Pradesh. Talking about the geographical features, we begin with the physical features of the state. Important mountain ranges are Dafla Hills, Miri Hills, Abor and Mishmi. It is sub-montane and mountainous regions. It is a land of lush green forests, deep river valleys and beautiful plateaus. The land is mostly mountainous with Himalayan ranges along the northern borders, crisscrossed with mountain ranges running north to south. These divide the state into 5 river valleys: the Kameng, the Subansiri, the Siang, the Lohit and the Tirap. All these rivers are fed by snows from the Himalayas and countless rivers and rivulets except Tirap, which is fed by Patkai range. The mightiest of these rivers is Siang, called Sangpo in Tibet, which becomes Brahmaputra after it is joined by the Dibang and the Lohit in the plains of Assam. Talking about the climate of the state, it ranges from subtropical to temperate. Rainfall varies from 1000 millimeters in higher reaches to 5750 millimeters in the foothill areas, spread over 8 to 9 months. And now let's tell you the national parks that are located in the state. Namdapha National Park, Changlang. It covers wide range of altitudes from 200 meters to 4,500 meters. The majestic Gaur or Mithun, elephant, Himalayan black bear, takin, the wild goat peculiar to the Patkoi range, musk deer, slow loris, binturong and red panda are all found here. The predators include the tiger, leopard, the rare snow leopard and the clouded leopard in the higher reaches of the hills. The white-winged wood duck, a rare and endangered species, has been sheltered in the park. Moling National Park is in the Upper Siang. The reproduction of white-feathered wild duck is taken up here. Talking about the wildlife sanctuaries in the state, Pakke Wildlife Sanctuary and Tiger Reserve, Talle Wildlife Sanctuary, Dibang Wildlife Sanctuary, Itanagar Wildlife Sanctuary, Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary and Kamlang Wildlife Sanctuary are some of those located in the state. Ganga or the Geka Sini is an important lake in the state. Talking about the biosphere reserves, the Dehang Debang is part of Siang and Debang. One finds unbroken forest sequence from the tropics to the mountain tundra. The Biosphere Reserve forms a part of one of the world's biodiversity hotspots. The entire north boundary of the BRs, the home of elusive and the shy red panda, one of the most unusual ungulates of the eastern Himalayas and western Chinese mountains, is the takin. This animal is here in small herds that range from 2500 to 4000 meters. Dibang Dam is India's largest hydro project. On the other hand, Ranganadi Dam is located in Yazali. Now let's shift focus to the culture of the state. We begin with the festivals celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. One of them is Gokum Kumpa. Siang River Festival is another popular festival. The festival aims at projecting the Siang or the Brahmaputra River as a symbol of integrity and communal harmony. It was previously celebrated as Brahmaputra Darshan Festival in Tezu and Pasighat. Losar or the New Year Festival is the most important festival of Tawang district in Arunachal Pradesh. The Monpa tribe celebrates this as the coming of a new year. During the festival days, festivities prayers are offered for prosperity and good health. Other festivals include Khan, Tamladu, Mopin, Solung, Buddha Mahotsava, Nyokum, Sidongi, Buribut and Dri. Igu, Monpa, Mopir and Ponung are some of the important dances. The Tawang Buddhist monastery in Arunachal Pradesh is the largest monastery in India and second largest in Asia. It is also known as Galde Namgyal Latse. It was founded by Merak Lama Lodra Gyantso in the year 1860 to 1861 AD. According to a legend, a celestial horse chose the site for the monastery when the Merak Lama had difficulty deciding on a place to build the monastery. Tawang is the coining of two words with Ta meaning horse and Wang meaning blessed. The tribes that comprise the state population are Abor, Apatanis, Khamti, Momba, Singpos, Kambas, Mishmis, Nishi and Wanchos. The Apatanis are known for paddy cum fish cultivation or wet rice cultivation. It's an indigenous hill farming system of northeast India. The high mountains and dense forests have prevented intercommunication between tribes living in different river valleys. The geographical isolation thus imposed has led different tribes to evolve their own dialects and grow with their distinct identities. And now let's tell you some important and interesting facts about the state. Arunachal Pradesh is having various types of forests like tropical, subtropical, pine, temperate forests and alpine forests. Bamboo, the poor man's timber, is abundantly available in the state. Arunachal Pradesh is popularly known as the orchid paradise. Orchid trade is regulated under the CITES. Arunachal is very rich in the medicinal plants, not only for curing ailments but can also be potential source of economy to the state. For example, Acarus, Andrographis, Withania, Ravolifera, Tinospora, etc. Toko palm is also widely distributed in Arunachal Pradesh. It shares 1,630 kilometers of international boundary. Pakke Tiger Reserve is famous for hornbill nest adoption plan. It has also been awarded Biodiversity Award in 2016. Inner Line Permit or ILP is required for Indian citizen to enter Arunachal Pradesh. Anjaw is the easternmost district of India. Namchik Nampok in Tirap district has coal mines. Kharsang oil field produces oil and gas. In 2006, Bumla Pass in Tawang was opened to traders. Patkai Bum Hills act as a natural barrier between Arunachal Pradesh and Myanmar. Upper Himalayas close to Tibetan border enjoy alpine or tundra climate. Important peaks of Arunachal Pradesh is the Kangte in West Kameng district. Arunachal Pradesh is the least densely populated state. It has 17 persons per square kilometers. Chakmas and Hajongs are the tribes persecuted from Bangladesh. They are living in Arunachal Pradesh. Recently, the government was trying to give them land rights in Arunachal Pradesh. That's it in this edition of KSG State Series. Stay tuned for more such informative videos.